Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Burberry model, BE1282 in color code 1008. It's a brushed gunmetal color frame. On the temples here we have the Burberry detailing. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. The other side of the temple is the same. These are demo lenses stamped with the Burberry logo in black. This frame is Rexable and the style of the frame is half frame. Up here we have a Burberry gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.